Hi, this is Watchobi. It's been quite a number of weeks since my last unboxing, so I got one unboxing that I'm going to show you. This is from Seiko. The manual as well as the guarantee document. So this is a 4R35 powered watch, automatic. It is. It is a Presage cocktail time. There's a nice green dial. I have a blue one, so this one is nice. It's a green dial. I wonder later whether they will make a red one. If they do, I think I'm gonna get that one as well. So I'll get a set of all the main primary colors. And then I'll be doing a review of this soon. Just wait for it. Anyway, follow the channel. Okay, that's it. Take care. Bye.